Welcome to this guide on how to connect your Android phone to a Windows laptop. Introduction. Connecting your phone to your laptop makes it easy to transfer files, back up your data, and even share your internet connection. In this guide, we'll explore 3 simple methods. Method 1. USB cable. The easiest method is using a USB cable. First, use your phone's original USB cable. Plug it into your laptop. On your phone, you'll see a pop-up menu. Select File Transfer Mode. Now, open File Explorer on your laptop, and you'll see your phone listed as a device. From here, you can drag and drop files easily. Method 2. Bluetooth. You can also connect using Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth on both your laptop and phone. On your laptop, go to Settings, then Devices, and select Bluetooth. Pair with your phone, and once connected, you can share files wirelessly. Method 3. Wi-Fi or apps. Another way is through Wi-Fi or apps. Windows has a built-in, Your Phone, app that lets you link your Android device. You can also use third-party apps like AirDroid or Share It. Just make sure both your phone and laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Tips and troubleshooting. Sometimes connections may fail. If your phone isn't detected by USB, try another cable or port. If Bluetooth doesn't work, remove the device and pair it again. For Wi-Fi connections, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Conclusion. Now you know multiple ways to connect your Android phone to your Windows laptop. Choose the method that works best for your needs, whether it's USB for speed, Bluetooth for wireless convenience, or Wi-Fi for advanced syncing.